Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome to the digital frontier. In a world where learning and earning online isn't just a possibility, but a way of life, finding the right program to catapult you into success is key. Today, we're not just browsing for options, we're embarking on a strategic mission to align your goals with the perfect online program. See, the landscape of online learning and business is vast and varied, from short courses on digital marketing to comprehensive understanding in computer science. The opportunities are boundless, but with great options comes great decisions. Let's navigate this together, step by step. Step 1, clarifying your goals. Imagine where you want to be in a year. Are you looking to switch careers, upgrade your skills, or start your own online business? Visualize your end goal, because your destination will determine the path you take. Write these goals down. They are your compass. Step 2, program suitability. This isn't just about picking the most popular program, but the one that fits you like a glove. Consider the curriculum's relevance, the flexibility of schedule, and the platform's usability. Think about how you learn best. Do you prefer video lectures, interactive projects, or reading and quizzes? Your learning style should guide your choice. Step 3, understanding investments and returns. This is where we get real about budgets and benefits. Not all programs offer the same value for your money. Look at the total cost, including hidden fees, and weigh it against the potential returns. Will this program increase your earning power? How soon? Investigate the success rate of graduates, and don't shy away from asking the tough questions before enrolling. Step 4, the power of support. The journey is smoother with a map and a guide. Programs that offer mentorship or personal coaching brings immense value, providing personalized feedback and accountability. Training sessions that are live or have an interactive components can offer a deeper understanding and a more engaging learning experience. Look for communities within the program where you can network, share insights, and get support. Step 5, decoding reviews. In the era of information overload, learning to read between the lines of reviews and testimonials is an art. Seek out balanced perspectives and be wary of overly promotional or singularly negative reviews. Remember, context matters. What works for one may not work for another. Look for patterns in feedback across multiple sources to get a clearer picture. Step 6, leveraging community wisdom. The strongest insights often come from those who've walked the path before you. Engage in online forums, LinkedIn groups, or Facebook communities related to your field or interest. Ask specific questions about the program you're considering. Real-life success and failure stories can offer invaluable insights that no brochure or website can. The final step, making your choice. Armed with a clear vision of your goals, a deep understanding of your options, and insights from a community of peers and predecessors, you're ready to make an informed decision. Remember, this choice is a step, not your entire journey. Be bold, be curious, and be ready to pivot as you learn and grow. You are now equipped to make an informed decision about which online program is the best fit for you. This is just the beginning of your adventure in the vast world of online learning and entrepreneurship. Stay dedicated, stay inquisitive, and most importantly, stay on your path. Your future is bright, and it's yours to shape. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights and strategies. Or you can go to freedomlifebusiness.com for my free digital and marketing resources. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep moving forward. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.